Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So very recently most of you guys were asking whether we can get the permanent solution to hack our DJI MINI 2 up to 500 meters. So recently I was reading the Dronehacks blog, and there I found that if we upload the Dronehacks latest version and hack our DJI MINI 2, we will be able to downgrade our firmware as well as we will be able to apply the hack. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video and see whether we can downgrade our DJI MINI 2 firmware to the older version and whether we will be able to hack the 15 meters to 500 meters. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video. So guys, before getting started with the downgrade, let me show you what is the current version that we are running on. So when we open our DJI Fly app, and here in the about section you can see that the aircraft firmware is set to 01.07.02. So with this firmware we were not able to apply the Dronehacks NFZ certificate. So here when we open the Dronehacks website, here you can see that we will be able to hack the Mini 2 with the older version, that is 01.06. So to do that we have to downgrade our firmware. So here in this blog, Dronehacks has clearly mentioned that with the latest version of 1.33 Dronehacks software, we will be able to downgrade our DJI MINI 2 from the 1.07 to 1.06, and we'll also be able to apply the hack. So let me quickly download the latest version of the Dronehacks. So here on the screen you can see that our Dronehacks is running on version 1.33. So with the previous version we were not able to downgrade our DJI MINI 2 with this Dronehacks software. So this time let me give a try with the Dronehacks whether we will be able to downgrade or not. So I have connected my drone to my laptop, and here you can see the solid green bar, and here it's very clearly mentioned as Flash original DJI firmware. I have selected that and we will download the firmware from here. So when you click on the download, you will automatically be directed to 01.06.02. Once you come on this page, you make sure all the details that you have entered are correct and the older firmware has been selected. So once you do that, click on submit and you'll get a download link. So when you click on download, as usual we are getting a bad gateway and we are not able to download the firmware. So this means that we will not be able to downgrade our DJI MINI 2 with the Dronehacks. So now I'll give another try with the DJI Assistant. So you have to visit this website, DJI Assistant. I'll mention the link in the description. So when you come to this page, you'll see that DJI Assistant 2 has been discontinued. So the basic thing is you have to download the other version of DJI Assistant. So I'll tell you guys which one suits best with our DJI MINI 2. So even DJI Assistant 2 for Mavic does not suit us. So we have to go with the DJI Assistant 2 Customer Drone series. So this is more suitable for our DJI MINI 2. You can download this software and this will allow you to downgrade your DJI MINI 2 to the older version of firmwares. So once the download is completed, you have to install this software. So I have already downloaded this software. So let me quickly open the software now. So here is my software, that is DJI Assistant 2 Customer Drone series. So once you open that, you have to start setting up your DJI MINI 2 for the connection. So how you have to do it is, first you have to turn on your drone. After hearing the first beep, you have to plug in the cable to your drone and your laptop. And once that's done, you have to leave it for few seconds. So after 5 to 10 seconds, you start hearing the beep and your drone will be connected to your laptop. So here you have to click on DJI MINI 2, and on the left corner you can see the firmware upgrade, and on the page you will see what is currently running on your drone and what you can downgrade. So we get an option here to downgrade to 01.06. So once you click on downgrade, your drone battery should be more than 60% and your drone should be stably connected with your laptop. So that's the condition. So once you agree with that, you have to click on OK and your downloading process starts. So once the downloading is done, the transmitting process will be started, and make sure your drone should not disconnect your laptop between this downgrade. While this process, stay back and hold on for few minutes when this entire process is going on. Don't touch your laptop, don't do anything with your drone, or don't even touch the RC. Just keep on a hold on, keep seeing what is happening and how it is getting downgraded. So once the process is completely done, after that you will see the message as updating. So during this process, your drone will restart automatically few times. So maybe 2 times the drone will restart automatically during this upgrading process. So guys, this DJI Assistant 2 will only allow you to downgrade your DJI Mini 2 from 01.07 to 01.06. So in case if you want to upgrade your drone in the future, then you can directly go ahead and open your DJI flap, and there you get the upgrade option and you can upgrade your drone from there. Or else if you want to connect your drone to the laptop and open the DJI Assistant 2 and upgrade your drone from here as well. So this DJI Assistant 2 is completely reliable and safe to downgrade your drone. Once the downgrade process is completed, your drone will disconnect and connect back on your laptop. So you can see here when we click on DJI, but we will not see any information because our drone will be turned off. So my drone is turned off now and it has been downgraded successfully. So let me turn on my drone. Let me take out the plug. I have just took out the plug, and here you can see that drone is turned off. So I'll turn on my drone. So let me also turn on the RC and open the DJI flap so that we can verify what's the aircraft firmware is. So here our drone is turned on and we are just getting it on the DJI flap. Here once your drone is connected, you can go to the about section and you can see here the aircraft firmware has been downgraded to 01.06.02. So that means our downgrade process was completely fine. When you open your DJI flap, you will always see the new firmware availability here on the screen, and if you want to upgrade your drone, then you can click on install and upgrade your drone. Else this is all good and we have been successfully downgraded our drone to the older firmware. So that's it for this video guys. In the next video I'll tell you how we can apply the hack. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.